And this is going to be an incredible opportunity for you as you go out and help customers migrate to Windows 10 and to bring that security expertise. Now, the second topic that I want to talk to you about is how we're helping bring the next level of capability, as we talked about, to solve the problem of how do I interact with data, with my voice, with pen, in a more robust, profound way. And I'd like to do that by talking a little bit about how we do it with our anniversary update. So in 2.5 weeks, on August 2nd, the next major release for Windows 10 is coming. We've called it the anniversary update, and this is going to bring up all of those security features I showed you just there, plus enhancements to Cortana, enhancements to the pen, support for Xbox gaming, HoloLens, a huge amount of things. And to really kind of make that shine for you and to show you how you as a partner can take advantage, I'd like to bring out Bryan Roper, who's going to give you a great demo here of how we do it. Please get some noise, because Bryan works off of noise. Get some noise for Bryan Roper.
Thank you, Yusuf.
Yeah, baby. Show 'em.
Good morning, partners. How y'all doing? I said, how y'all doing? There, now you woke up. I want to talk to you about 3 words. More personal computing, and specifically how those 3 words can lead to tons of more partner opportunity. Y'all want to see some opportunity? All right. Now, make some noise if you're a Windows insider. So, those of you who are insiders would have experienced Windows Inc., the power of the pen and the PC coming together for a natural experience that you do more. You've probably seen some of the cool stuff in Cortana. You saw Windows Hello. What I want to talk about is how all of these features are extensible to you. They're kind of like their own little platforms for you to go build experiences that we never even imagined for your customers. All right, so real quick, I just want to show you. Windows Inc., beyond being a really cool end-user feature for taking notes and all that kind of stuff, I mean, it's also a platform. The Windows Inc. platform can actually make your apps ink-enabled with just a couple lines of code on the UI side. I actually just want to show you in Visual Studio really quick. Check this out. On the UI side, that's how much code is required to ink-enable your app. And that's going to give you the ink toolbar that you're going to see in the app I'm going to show you in a second. All kind of cool colors, even rulers. Does that sound cool? Yeah? All right. Now, I want to talk about a real app that's built by a real company that's solving real problems today for their organization. But first, I think I need to switch gears a little bit, and I have a confession. I've been a mechanic this whole time. I even brought a different hat, which was up here. I'll just rock my fedora. And the reason why I'm dressed this way is I want to talk about Bridgestone. Bridgestone does over 1 million tire inspections a year. 1 million. That's over 35,000 registered account fleets. So they're very serious about inspection. But with that type of scale, they faced a real challenge. Different installations of theirs across the country were actually, you found my hat, Yusuf?
Keep going, baby. You get the hat, though.
Okay, cool, man. Yeah. So they face a challenge with all these different folks doing it different ways. Yusuf, you're the man. Make some noise for him, man. I love it.
You need the hat.
Gotta have the hat, man. What a guy. So yeah, folks were tracking these inspections in different ways, from Excel to even pen and paper. So they built an app that actually enables their technician to track these inspections one unified way, and I'm going to show you it now. So imagine I want to get to this app. I normally have to click through some different menus. Because they enable Cortana, you're going to see me actually get right to my inspection with voice, and because I'm a technician, my hands are busy, right? I'm going to log in with my face using Windows Hello. So all I got to do is come over and say, hey, Cortana, what's my next Bridgestone inspection?
Sure thing. Looking for your next inspection.
So it's going to go right to my next page. You're going to see it log me in with my face. It's making sure it's me. Just like that, I hit OK, and boom, I'm in this app just like that. So imagine. Yeah. Now let me show you the fun part, how you actually go inspect with Windows Inc. I do want to call out, this is a really cool, rugged Surface case. You can actually see it's super rugged. It's got a strap for my hand. I'm going to set it down here, but it'd be hard to show you how to inspect a tire without a tire, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? Do y'all think I got one? Shaka! We got a tire right here. But you know, when I'm looking at this thing, it's kind of perfect. It's a Bridgestone tire. It's in great shape, so I should probably mess it up a little bit to be able to inspect something. Do y'all think I should do that? Should I mess up the tire? Well, I just so happen to have a toolbox here. And I just so happen to have some tools. So let's imagine that this driver is not being too safe. He actually goes and accidentally drives through a hardware store. Like you do. So, but that one thing is not going to stop a Bridgestone tire. We run through nails. Should I go a little bit bigger? Well, fortunately, I just so happen to have brought bigger. Oh, I brought bigger. So now we're gonna need to go ahead and put a hole in this sidewall. Good Lord, what are you guys doing to these tires? Really make a hole. Like, that's something you'd wanna catch in an inspection, right? You'd wanna know about that. Should we go even bigger than that? Well, it's a good thing I never leave home without my reciprocating saw, because you know, that happens to tires. I'm gonna cut a big long streak right in the side of this tire, and there's actually a reason why I'm doing this. Was that cool? Did you guys like that? Was it fun? I want you guys to see how I can now use Windows Ink and Touch to actually inspect this tire. This is a unified way that this company built this. So first of all, I can go and use Touch to pick what kind of casing is on the tire. Life of the tire, let's just call it 2 years old. Look how I write the number 2. It jumps right in as text. That's the ink canvas overlaying this actual app. I think it's safe to say the tire pressure is 0. There's holes in it. And the condition is probably definitely considered bad. You don't want to, and good Lord, the valve cap is missing. That's a really big problem there. So, but check this out. Watch how I can now use my device to come in and actually take a photo of this tire. So I'm gonna come in and take a picture. Oops, my bad, hit the wrong button. There, I got my photo. And now I can actually crop and adjust to the specific area. And this is where it gets amazing. Check this out. This is the ink toolbar. That's what's implemented with just those few lines of code. I get all kind of cool colors, so I can come over here and be like, dude, there's a screw in the tire. And like, what's happening? And what's up with this? Is this a bullet hole? Is this tire borrowing money from the wrong people? What's going on here? And then check this out. This is the ruler that's in Windows Ink. If you guys haven't seen this, it's pretty cool. I can line that up with that gash and be like, you know, WT, man, what's going on? Come on. And now this gets pushed up to all the data systems so they can track this one unified way that's leveraging more personal computing, a ton of different features from that to create new experiences for that company that's solving their problems. How do you feel about that? So ladies and gentlemen, more personal computing means more partner opportunity. You guys are gonna go build stuff we never imagined. Are you ready to go build stuff? Well, thank you so much. I'm Bryan. That's my time. I hope you enjoyed it.
Thank you, Bryan. Bryan will be available to help upgrade any customers with his power tools if you need.